In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a custom multicolor background overlay using a 4-color gradient effect. This technique is very useful when you want to create colorful backgrounds for titles, graphics, or creative overlays. Let's get started. First, go to the project panel. Click on New Item and choose Color Matte. Pick any base color for now and click OK. Now drag the color matte onto your timeline. Next, you go to the effects panel and search for 4-color gradient. Drag and drop the effect onto the color matte clip. Now open the effect controls panel. You'll see 4 color points: color 1, color 2, color 3, and color 4. Each color represents one corner of the gradient. Start by choosing a color for each point. For example, you could use purple, blue, pink, and orange to create a vibrant gradient background. Or you can also adjust the position points of each color to control how the gradient spreads across the frame. If you want the colors to blend more smoothly, adjust the blend setting. This helps soften the transition between the colors. Play around with the colors and positions until you get the look you want. This technique works great for modern backgrounds, intro screens, or motion graphics, and that's it. You've successfully created a custom multicolor gradient background in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.